Correct.
Nana.
Connect.
So basically, we are in like a 15 years in this industry. We have like a nails, lashes, and brows. We are in like a nail service, lashes service. We have a like a pedicure service. What we are doing, there's something different compared to other salons. Like our hygiene, our safety, our product, it's totally different. So we are in like a Tepento. Now we are come to in Vibe. Vibe it's for like a Gen Z, something new coming up, and we are already in Tepento. So we are there already mothers goes for the service, and we launching for the new for the Vibe salons. So basically, our plan to opening in Chennai. It's a first Gen Z salon that it's for a new things that what we have a think about that. So basically, absolutely, we love Chennai. So we have a plan to open a new salon in Chennai for a vibe. The Gen Z new salon for that we have a started. Mr.
ஸோ வணக்கம். ஸோ ஸோ சென்னையில் வந்து நெயில் சலூன் ஒன்று ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு ஐடியா வந்துச்சு எங்களுக்கு. ஸோ பேசிக்லி வி காட் அன் ஐடியா ஃப்ரம் த டிஃபன்டோ விச் இஸ் அன் எக்ஸிஸ்டிங் பிராண்ட் இன் சென்னை. ஸோ வி காட் தட் ஐடியா. ஸோ வித் தட் வி ஆர் லுக்கிங் ஃபார் ஃப்ரான்ச்சைசிஸ் அண்ட் we approached Tipento. So when we approached them, they are really friendly people, and their concept was really good, which suits to this generation, Gen Z kids. So the products we are pitching now, and which is target to the Gen Z kids, and as well as the existing peoples who are so like that. So that makes sense. It will stick on to the market for a very long period. So from certain period like 20 years, it will stick on. That's an idea. So that's the thought process we have, and we took this franchisee from Tipento. So from Tipento, we started a new franchisee Vibe. With Tipento is a kind of luxury brand. It's kind of it's targeting the Gen Z kids, and it's a medium segment customers as well. So our motto is to serve all the generation people, and as well as the existing people. That's it.
So many people are there, nail artist.
Nail artist.
Yeah, okay. How you are different from other? Safety, you said something like that.
So Vibe is totally different from other traditional salon to our salons. So we are like Tipento is totally different. So like where mothers go for a service. So same thing in Vibe for a Gen Z. For their kids, we have a plan to launch in Chennai, and this is our first outlet in Chennai. So we have a think for a new generation.
What is the plan and future plan?
Future plan to open overall pan India, everywhere from south to north.
So we have a salon in many cities, Mumbai, the Tipento. So that's why we plan to open the first salon, Gen Z salon in Chennai, because Chennai has supported us good for the Tipento. The main motive is now the generation is going to Gen Z, so we want even to Gen Z come up.
Yes.
Any bridal makeup you are talking about?
Not a bridal.
Not
This
the
is the
bridal.
Gen Z.
This is only nails. Like
Nails.
what we have a nail service, nails, lashes, and microblading. What we are doing it. The same thing for Vibe also. We are doing the same, nails, lashes, and brows, and the pedicure. So Vibe is totally different compared to Tipento. Vibe it's like a quick service. What we have a new launch. So now this generation they wants like a quick service. They don't want to wait. So that's why we have a launch for a new product. So quick they can do like a nails, pedicure, like express many to then nails for a new example. We have a service for that. It's we can talk nail fix class. That is no one knows what we have the
So
service name.
basically, the thing is the menu which other salons have. We have our menu name like soft girl gel nails and no drama pen. So we have a Gen Z name in our menu.
So you're focusing on quick service.
Yes, the
Yes.
fixed service.
and at a affordable price.
Affordability of
Yes, the premium quality, affordable pricing, and for more of like a Gen Z audience who can affordable also, and like premium quality, premium product, safety, hygiene, everything we have the concept for in Mumbai.
You are the front desk,
Yes, I'm.
the address.
So,
Okay.
it's located in Adyar, Besant Avenue Road. Yes.
You invite more people, sir. Please come.
Yeah. Okay. So everyone are welcome to our salon. You can try it here for all Gen Z kids and others, everyone.
That
You want to talk to service?
no.
Ah.
The target, whatever target, do you guys want us to tell? The target.
You want me?
So this is between all the
Yeah.
Yes, medical.
Ha. So basically, we have a like a vibe salon that you understood. Like we have a premium target for a Gen Z kids only. So I just want to say to Gen Z team that please come have a do the nails and show your best what you like at the new service. So I just want to say, hey Gen Z, come and do your nails and give the best your whatever feedback you have.